Hey, I'm Cindy from the First Year Support Center. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Student Success Certificate that we are offering this year. We hope that you can attend one of our Student Success workshops throughout the academic year, and in return, if you attend 6 workshops, you receive a Student Success Certificate at the end of the year. So, what are our workshops all about? Our workshops are to help you transition into college and help you develop college skill sets. Our workshops focus on 3 categories: academic skills, life skills, and involvement into the campus. There are multiple benefits to completing the Student Success Certificate. You are able to create and develop college skill sets, as well as build friendships with other peers. You can also build your resume, and by earning the certificate, it looks great on your resume for when you're wanting to transfer or complete your UC personal statement. We want to ensure that you're not just attending classes and going home and from school. We want to make sure that you're more engaged on your campus. So by completing the certificate, you are showing that you're going above and beyond just being a regular student here at SEC. For up-to-date information on our upcoming workshops, you can always visit our website. You can also subscribe to our mailing list to receive emails and text messages for upcoming workshops. Hope to see you soon. Bye. For more information, you can follow us on Instagram and Snapchat at firstyear.sec, or you can visit our website at www.sccollege.edu/FYSC. Please feel free to stop by and visit us in the E building on the 3rd floor in room E307, or call us at 714-628-5085.